need a versatile array of great kitchen tools, grab the Silicone spatula set from Upgood. Each set features 4 unique spatulas to tackle every culinary task. If you've ever used a cheap spatula, then you know that tops fall off, handles snap, and grooves trap food particles. Why put yourself through the aggravation? These spatulas are created with a durable one-piece construction and an internal stainless steel support that will exceed your expectations and look fantastic in your kitchen. And the best part? Every utensil is made with professional-grade silicone. There are no nooks or crannies for food to hide, the handle won't melt when you accidentally leave it on the pan, and they're safe on all types of cookware. One use and you'll be hooked. Get Upgood state-of-the-art silicone spatulas. Whipping up classic meals in the kitchen has never been easier with the high-quality non-stick turner set from Upgood, your new go-to set of tools for all of your kitchen favorites. Your package includes both a large and small spatula, each uniquely suited for all different foods and tasks. These turners are crafted with reinforced Flex Technology stainless steel, strong enough to lift almost any food but designed with a little bit of flex to make them more agile and precise. Combined with the tapered edge and sleek non-slip grip, you can really get under fragile omelets and finally flip pancakes like a pro. The silicone blade is also durable, heat-resistant, and safe to use on all cookware. Get the precision movement and control you need with Upgood's top-of-the-line turner set.